Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a very special day. I am so excited to finally share with you something that I've been working on this past year. Now let me tell you, this has been the most stressful yet the most exciting project I have ever worked on. It has truly been an honor to be given the opportunity to do this. I work with so many amazing people, which I am so very thankful for each and every single one of them, for their help, their guidance, for believing in me and this project. I'm super thankful for each and every single one of you. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your family as you will forever be part of mine. Now, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the best part? I can't believe it. I am so excited. But I present to you guys my very own cookbook. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. It's like a dream come true. I am so excited. A lot of you have been requesting this, wanting it, and it is finally here. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. I made sure it was perfect. Every detail, every page, every recipe. So I hope you love it as much as I do. So proud of it. I'm so proud of it, and I am so happy to say that it is seriously the best. So make sure you get your copy. I love and appreciate you all so very much. Thank you for your continuous love and support, and I will see you guys on the next one.